We see that out of the top 1,000 most polluting rivers, roughly 83 of them are in Indonesia. So of course what we hope is that in the coming years we can work together with the authorities, with businesses in Indonesia to also bring the new technology to your country. Interceptor number 1, which is our first plastic interception device that catches plastic in rivers before it reaches the oceans. And so we've been piloting this here in Jakarta since the beginning of the year. And we just unveiled the second generation of the technology with which we hope to scale to the 1,000 most polluting rivers in the world, thereby stopping the source by 80% of all plastic going into the oceans. Jakarta was a great test site because on one hand there's a lot of plastic flowing out of the rivers, and on the other hand we received a lot of support and a lot of interest from the local government, the national government, as well as local businesses to participate in this. So it was really a good place to test the technology. So a lot of the lessons that we learned with this first machine have already been incorporated in the second generation of our technology. But so far we see that the majority of the plastic can be collected here, and of course we hope to get to as close to having stopping all plastic from flowing. That's not the case here yet, but we think that with the next generation of technology we can actually have a tool that intercepts almost all of the plastic.